It's time to bring Luna back up to our buddy Matt's house to put some more things on the boat. So what does Matt still have to do?
He's got to move the VHF radio, just finish the mast and a few odds and ends, mount our bottle opener, do the hatch in the front. I think that's about it. You know, there's not much.
What are we gonna do with the sail?
We're gonna patch up the sail with some rip tape. And I think we'll be good to go.
How long do you think that'll last?
Depends on how heavy the winds are that we go out in.
Well, I can't wait to start learning how to use the sails.
And it's easy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's easy?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna have Matt run a wire back to these connections here on the outboard. And this puts out 5 amps, 12 volts DC to keep your battery bank charged up. So if we don't have solar and we need battery for whatever reason, you know, and we need power, the outboard can make power. So I just sucked about 5 gallons of water out of the bilge here. The boat is leaking around the bow pole pit, and obviously the companionway, because we haven't got that fixed yet. So hopefully we'll get the bow pole pit and any holes sealed up. Dirty water. I don't know where it's coming in at, but I mean, I'm sure it's the companionway, and I finally figured out all the companionway.
How it goes in just right?
Yeah, like, well, I figured out which parts I need for the companionway. Like, I measured everything, so I know it's like, you know, crib board's this, these other pieces for that, and, you know, the threshold is this.
Oh, you know what I just seen on Craigslist last night? There's a place down in the Keys, like Key Largo, that's got over 20 Catalina 22s that are washed up on the shore or on a trailer that they're letting go for mad cheap.
Key Lime Sailing Club.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
You seen it?
Well, that's where we went.
Gotcha.
That's where we went sailing the first time and caught the bug for this shit.
We'd called them once to ask them about something, and he's like, "Why didn't you tell me? I have a ton of them."
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're like,
Oh yeah, dude, he's got companionway parts. I'm all over that.
Well, as far as the listing goes, it looks like he only had whole boats starting at $500. That's the original shell coat. That's why it won't ever be that smooth painting it.
Yeah.
So, but what you could do is paint that blue stripe. You know, repaint the blue stripe blue again, tape it off, and then bottom paint it with the buff and compound, and then it'll look pretty dang good.
Yeah, the only thing you see is this right here. Did I tell you about my easy off method? You can see it. Well,
Yeah,
you'll see it more during the day than anything.
Yeah, I know.
For what it is what it is, right?
Yeah. Rather than paint it, maybe try some rub on it a little bit.
Yeah.
have some what?
Rub on it a little bit with rubbing compound
Oh.
and buff it a little bit.
Cool.
Rather than painting it. That does do a lot for them.
This is Bonefish Max. This is one of my little favorite spots in Pompano. On Monday night because they got a prime rib for like $12.95.
So what do you think of the name Breaking Wind?
It's your boat. We name it whatever you want.
Immature to immature?
I told her we should just do something like Pirates of the Caribbean, you know?